Hello friends, welcome back again. In this video we will try to understand how can use the INC increment command with the compare instruction in INVT PLC. So let's get started. First of all we will open our AutoStation software, and here we will be see in the section of compare contactor instructions. Click it on this icon, and after you can see here is a many commands for the comparison. So we will use the first command ld equal compare integer ld equal instruction. How we can use this one command in this PLC, and what's the difference between this ld and ldd. So basically this command is used for this LD means 16-bit data, and this LDD means 32-bit data double integer instruction. So what's difference and what mistakes we can mix in the program and how we can correct. So let's get started. First of all we will take this one, our X0 input. This is our, think about, this is our increment, this is our encoder value or whatever, this is we like to be make it the increment. So next one more we have to be use this one rising edge, because if we will not use this rising edge, this X0 will be gives the multiple many bits into the command, after we cannot compare and also count any. So here we will take the INC command. For an example, INC, when I type, and any data register I will choose D10 for an example, choose and click enter. And next we will be take that LD SM0, and here we will be take the LD compare instruction. That's first we will choose this one. You can drag and drop also, nothing issue, and here you can give the addresses to your command. First yani D0 or any you can give, and here also give the data and click OK. And here you have to be put the datas, double click, and this D0 we have to be compare D10 for an example. D10 we have to be compare with the D0. Direct value also you can put. For an example, here I D0 removed. I will remove this D0 and I will make 10 only. I like to be compare this 10 value, and after we can make this LD SM0, and after we will be take the out Y0 for an example. No, sorry, this is we not use look like same. We have to be directly take it here, the output Y0 for example, any you can choose, that's nothing issue. This just only download this program into the PLC and let's test. Click yes and make the monitor, and now you can see this is X0. When I press and gives the signals at the D10, you can see it's very smoothly working, and 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. When 10 value will be ready, your output will be on. And now you can see when as greater than value becomes 11, our output is off. But for an example, here we like to be use the big value. There is we can write for an example 32,768 for an example, and click enter. You can see this is the error coming, 32,768 value you cannot type. Or for an example, if we choose it here data register, like to be set the value from the HMI D20 if I write D20 if I write, and this will be downloaded into the PLC. Better this D20 because of again we have to be download. It took too much time, or we will use the debug instruction. We will go to the debug and make it online edit. After we can save our time and make it monitor. An example, there is some long value you like to be used. For an example, here is a value coming. This value we would like to be put here 32,768. It will be not accept. You can see this is not accepting. What he says, please input an integer value between minus 32,768 up to plus 32,768. So this our only just this our increment command only gives us the value up to 16-bit data, and if you like to be long value use 32-bit data, maybe your value is wrong, very long, and here not we decide anything. For an example, here we will be at the D20, we will type the value 12 and click enter, and it will be work according to our y. 0 will be on off with our D10. So I will give more value. You can see it's working now, and as will be completed 12, our output will be on. And now if for an example we like to be long value like to be compare, so how we can do? If here for an example we like to be double integer like to be used, so you have to be use this command LDD. So here we will also our debug data is online, edit is ready. So we will type it here for an example DINC and click enter, and if I see this value are already shown, if I make it download, you can see this value. Maybe I will make it first 0. I will put the dummy value at the 0 and click enter, and you can see 0, but when I give the value at x0 signal, after it will be working up D10 same data register, but downside is value not working in the D10. Why not working? Because of we are using it here DINC, same as this is any LDD command, we have to be use it here. So double click it this one, and here type one D more LDD and click enter, and after you will be see your value will be work according to this command. This will be same work, and first we will be make this one, this we will be D20, will be make this D20 12 and click enter. Okay, and now you can see this the 16 value moves into the D10. Now if again I will give the value 16, you can see our value is increasing 20, 21, 22, 23. It will be smoothly working. But if you use it here DINC and here you just use the compare instruction only without the D, it will be not work. This value if you like to be change, an example we will type the 30 and click enter, and it will be work properly. You can see 27, 28, 29, 30. As this 30 will be value will be completed, it will be work. But in case of if you use it here integer and here double integer, also it will be not work. Let's try this one also. We will be verify INC type, and this is I will again download. What will be happen? It will be not our value. You can see it here value is ready still, and here is not value. Already I download this program. Again I will download. You will be can see this value is still here, and if this will be INC, I will give that signal at x0. You can see this value shows into the binary. because of upside we are using the integer value and downside we are using the double integer value. So we have to be must be remove here 1D also, and same this data we have to be make numbers, and after you download and after you can see here also I will change this value. For an example 20 I will write. It's long value but it's nothing issue, no problem, because of there is already at the increment our 15 value is ready. Now again I give signal, you can see it's now working smoothly. On 19 20 it will be equal running. So in the next video I will explain you greater than and equal command. Same this you have to be, I hope you will be understand about this concept. You must be same data register. If you little difference make in the here integer value you used, and here if you use double integer, so your command will be not work. So hope guys you will be understand about this command. If not understand anything, you can send me the message in comment section. I will give you feedback as soon as possible. So thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.